Good morning, my name is Tatiana Nieto, student of the Evaluation and Negotiation of Technology course. Presentation is Step 3. Step 3. Identify technology values. Lead chronology of evaluation methods. Be my technology manager in charge of process. Causes. Leader practice in the assessment tools. Defective technology transfer process. Lack of technical training. Consequences. Ignorance of the market and its characteristics. The information obtained from the market is limited. Bad organizational presentation. Choice. Lead chronology of evaluation methods. Be technology manager in charge of the process. Recommendation. Lean professionals can add the process of evaluation methods. Investigation in certain sectors of the companies. Providing is interesting in the technology developed. Thank you for your time.